Hey guys, my name's Haley. Welcome back to the Disney Cupcake channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I'm taking to Disneyland, so let's get started. So a lot of you guys requested that I did a video showing you guys what I am taking to Disney or what's going to be in my Disney bag in the park. So I decided to do a video of all of that in one. So first I'm going to start off with the stuff that's inside of my Disney bag and then move on to my outfits and different stuff like that. I'm going to Disneyland very soon and I've started packing. This is just a quick view of everything that I'm taking. I know it looks like a lot, but it's not all in the suitcase yet, so it's not, because I'm saving room for merchandise and everything. This is just the overview of everything that I'm going to be taking with me, and let's get started. So this is the bag that I'm going to be taking into the park. This is the one that I got from the character warehouse, and it is Mickey, and this will match a lot of my outfits. Now this is just one of the bags I'm taking in the parks, and I'm going to get into explaining that here in a few minutes. And some of the stuff inside of the bag will change depending on what park I'm going to or what I need for each day. But this is just an overall idea of what will be in my bag every day, roughly. A phone charger and a portable charger, because that is extremely important since I'll be taking a lot of pictures on Instagram. Make sure to go follow me on Instagram at @officialdisneycupcake because I'll be posting a lot of pictures while I'm on my trip. Speaking of Instagram, of course my phone will be in here as well. An autograph book and a pen because I will be getting a lot of character autographs. Some Disney Cupcake business cards just in case I run into anyone in line and they ask what I'm vlogging for, and then I could just give them one of these. Since I'm going in the summertime, I'm going to take one of these portable fans, and I just feel like this is just something fun and something very good to have. Another phone accessory that I'm taking is this really cool phone lens. And this helps give a 360 type shot in higher quality. So I'll be taking a lot of Instagram pictures with that as well. And speaking of taking pictures, I'm going to be bringing my Polaroid. I'm so excited to take a bunch of artsy pictures of the castle and stuff with this. And I've never taken it to a Disney park and I am really excited. I also have my Disney pin traders. I think I have about 36. And I'm hoping to make a separate video about pin trading while I'm there. But we'll see how it goes in the moment. But I will definitely be talking about pins that I trade and hopefully filming me trading a few. So I'm extremely excited to do that, and that is something I love doing. I also have some Disney Cupcake bracelets in case I run into any of you. Next I have one of these pairs will be in my backpack per day. These are my sunglasses and I have these cute little cases for them. This one says Stay Shady. I don't know why I like that. And this one says Beach Please on it. And like I said, I'll only be taking one of these to a park per day. So I have these ones, and these are the Juicy Couture ones, and I really like them. And then my other pair, I got these ones from American Eagle, and they're rainbow looking. So I thought those would be really fun too. So I'm going to have both of those sunglasses for the parks and for other things in California. I'm also going to have a lot of Disney park buttons. I made this one to wear for a majority of my trip. I added sparkles and stuff to it, and it says I'm celebrating my first trip to California. So I'm going to be wearing that one a lot, as well as my first visit button to Disneyland and DCA. So I'll be wearing a lot of buttons and stuff. I'm excited to be collecting buttons there because they have a lot that they give out for different things. So hopefully I'll be able to collect more of those as well, and I'll try to let you guys know where I get them and where I find them from. But this is one that I made that I'm going to be taking with me. I'm also going to have a pressed penny book or bag to keep them in as I get them in the park. I'm also going to have my GoPro on me. I have the GoPro Hero 4. I'm going to have a float case. I have some extra batteries. I have the chest strap and the wrist strap so I can give you guys some on-ride footage, because that will be so cool because I am vlogging every single day. And of course I'm going to have the camera that I am using right now. And I'm also taking that to VidCon, so I have some more bracelets in here in case I see any of you there. Let me know down below in the comments if you are going to Disneyland around the time of VidCon, or if you are going to VidCon, because I would love to meet you guys. And if you guys see me in the parks at all, please say hello. I would really love to meet you, and you could get a Disney Cupcake bracelet. Now on to, this is going to be my airplane type bag. And this is a DisneyLand bag, and it has the Kingdom of Cute characters on it. I absolutely love it. It has a few keychains on it, but I plan on adding more before my trip. And it says, "Have a magical day with Pluto" on it. And this is like a little bag like tag. And then I have my little popsicle from Curie from Tokyo Disney. And this is one of the other bags that I'm going to be taking to the parks. This is my hamburger bag from Tokyo Disneyland. I'm going to be keeping my ticket, my fast passes in here. And then in the little coin pouch, I have some coins to make with the pressed pennies. So I'm also going to be keeping my pressed pennies in there. And the last thing that I'll be wearing like in the park is this amazing cast member lanyard. And it has the Luxo ball and the Luxo lamp on it. Since it is Pixar Fest, I thought this would be amazing to wear. And I added this little clear case to put my ticket and fast passes in. And this is something that will go with a lot of my outfits, so I am super, super excited to wear this. I also have this case from my friend Becca, and I'm going to have all of my Instax little extras in there. This is all extra film, as well as this cute little book to hold all of my photos after I take them. My laptop for editing, and that will be in my laptop case. Inside of my laptop case, I have this cool little organizer for all of my like phone chargers, camera chargers, all of that fun stuff. I'm also going to have headphones because that is a airplane necessity. I also have this Disney checklist book, and I make this for all of my Disney trips, and it is so, so helpful. So this binder has a holder inside that I keep Sharpies and stuff in. I'm also going to have Sharpies with me for the parks for any characters or if I meet any of you. And then right here I have all of our plans, our dining reservations and fast passes and what day we're going where and what we're doing. So you guys won't get a sneak peek at that, but you guys will see that soon. And then I have our pin trading checklist with some of the lists of pins to keep an eye out for. Like we have the June release list, and then we have some of the sets that I'm collecting on here that I need to keep an eye out for. And there are many, many pages of these. And these aren't even some of the pins that I have on my pin board. These are just sets that I would like to look for or complete. And then we have my page, and I keep stuff that I would like to purchase from Disneyland and from DCA. And then we also have the full list of the series of all of the little Disney collector packs. So I know which ones I need and which ones I have. And this book is so useful to have. It's a great thing. I highly suggest you do it if you're into collecting and stuff like that. The list that I have of stuff that I want to look for at each park is also super helpful, because in the morning I'll wake up and I'll be like, alright, today I'm going to look for this, this, and this, and then the next day I'm going to look for this. And like, it just helps you keep track is if there are certain things that you'd like to get while you're on your trip, to remember where you can get them, where to find them, and then you won't forget about purchasing them when you're in the park. And I'm also going to have lots of gum for the plane ride because that really helps your ears. I'm also going to have my Disney Cupcake bag to take to VidCon so I can fill it with all of the goodies from there. Now before I get into the rest of the stuff, I wanted to let you guys know that from now on my uploading schedule is going to be kind of crazy. I may be uploading a lot of videos at a time. I may be uploading one video. I don't really know. Since my vacation is coming up, I'm going to be posting a lot of videos from the trip. And if you guys would like to stay up to date with my trip and know exactly what's happening and everything, please hit the notification button, because I'm going to be posting videos that are extremely important as soon as I possibly can. And then I'm going to be posting the rest of the vlogs from the trip from there. So please, please, please hit the notification button for like this next month from today, this video you're watching right now, until like middle of July, because I'm going to be posting a lot of vlogs, a lot of hauls, a lot of like little separate videos that I'm going to be filming inside of the park. Just please, please, please hit the notification button if you would like to stay up to date to all of my Disneyland travels, because I'm not going to be uploading them on the normal schedule because I won't get them uploaded fast enough, and you guys would be seeing the last video in like October. So I want to get them up as soon as possible. I want you guys to see them within like the few weeks that I was there, because I want you guys to know what's happening at California right now. So I am working hard to do that, and I just really need you guys to hit the notification button so you guys do not miss any of the videos or I'll also be setting up a playlist of all of the videos in the correct order from the time I get there to the time I come back and show you guys my haul. So if you guys like to also watch the videos in order, just make sure you guys stay tuned for that and just pay attention to the channel, because I could be posting videos on Saturday, Monday, Wednesday, I don't know when, I don't know how many, but they're all going to be going up within these next few weeks. So please, please, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit the notification button, because I don't want you guys to miss it. So thank you so much for listening to that randomness, but I really, really wanted to tell you guys about it. So anyway, back into the whole packing craziness. Of course, we have toiletries and makeup and all that fun stuff. And then I'm going to be taking these two suitcases. I have a small one and a big one, and they all have this cool little like sketchbook print on them, and I really, really like them. And now we're getting into the fun part, the clothes. Yay! I'm going to show you guys each outfit that I plan on wearing. These might change, I don't know, but I know a lot of you guys are going to ask me where I got certain things and stuff like that. So I'm just going to try them on now so you guys can see them. That way during the vlogs I won't need to stop and tell you guys about it. If you're not interested in that kind of stuff, then you can just skip to the end of this video. I'm just going to show you like all of my Disneyland clothes, all of my DCA clothes, and VidCon and blah blah blah. So let's get started. So for my VidCon day, I'm going to be wearing these black ripped jeans. I'm pretty sure they're from American Eagle. And then I'm going to have my Disney Cupcake shirt on. I was going to wear shorts, but then I figured it's probably going to be kind of cold in the convention center. So I decided just to do jeans. And I'm going to be wearing my Disney Cupcake shirt for a majority of the day. That way you guys could spot me, or if I take any pictures, I'll probably have this on. I'm going to have this shirt on underneath. So, like at the Instagram booth, I could take like some other like professional pictures, if that makes any sense. So this is just a black and white striped shirt, and I'm pretty sure that this is also from American Eagle, and I'm going to have on white Converse. This is my Mickey Mouse inspired outfit. I'm gonna buy like the Mickey Mouse like headband or Minnie Mouse ear headband to wear there, and I'm going to purchase it there because I don't have one. I have this black ruffly top from American Eagle, so that's like Mickey's top, and then I'll have the ears. And then I have his red pants on, and these are shorts. And then I'm hoping to wear yellow Converse, but if not, I'm just going to wear my white Converse, and that will be my Mickey Mouse inspired outfit. So this one I have not decided on yet. To celebrate Pixar Pier, I'm going to wear this Alice Toy Barn shirt or this Pizza Planet shirt with my Toy Story shoes and just like basic jean shorts, and this adorable Pixar headband that I made. For another DCA day, I'm going to be wearing this Life is a Highway shirt. Next, I'm going to have this black skirt with this Mickey Mouse top for a Disneyland day. I'm also going to have these black shorts with this white tank top for one of our non-Disney days. And for another one of our non-Disney days, I'm going to have this off-the-shoulder shirt. And also to Disney, I'm going to be taking like little lightweight hoodies in my bag. Like I have this Mickey Mouse hoodie, I have this zipper Minnie Mouse hoodie, and I'm also going to be taking my Disneyland hat. For one of the travel days, I'm going to have this Mickey Mouse crop top with these like jogger jean pants. And I actually think I'm still missing quite a few days, so I need to go work on that. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I believe next week or this week, I'm not really sure when this is going to go up. Videos will start going up out of order, so you guys may see some videos coming up here this weekend. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel, hit the notification button, and I will see you guys on my Disney trip. So thank you guys so much for watching. Do what you love and do what makes you happy, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!